Welcome to Hugo's How to Make the Perfect Mojito. The ingredients you're going to need are a white rum, a simple syrup or a sugar syrup, we make our own one here at Hugo's, mint, fresh if possible, lime and soda. The equipment you're going to need are a tall glass, a cocktail muddler, a cocktail bar spoon and some crushed ice. To begin with, we're going to take our mint. We're going to use a pinch of mint in the palm of our hand and we're going to spank it. This will release the aromas of the mint. We are then going to add in our lime, which we're going to squeeze over the top of our mint, and we're actually going to put the whole of the lime into the glass. This will help with the zest flavour. We're then going to add our sugar syrup to help our flavours and aromas come out of our mint and our lime. And we're going to use a muddler to muddle these in our glass. Now, mojitos are predominantly a bitter drink. However, if you like them a little bit sweeter, you just need to add a little bit more sugar syrup. You'll know that when you finish muddling properly when everything has condensed down. We're then going to add in our rum and we're now going to top to 3/4 of the glass with crushed ice. The crushed ice helps not only chill it but also helps us to mix it. We're going to take our bar spoon, we're going to put the spoon part down to the bottom of our glass and we're going to gyrate the mint, the lime, the rum and the sugar syrup. You're then going to add more ice to fill to the top of your glass. Once you have done that, you're going to top with your soda. Now, when you taste your mojito, if it is too bitter, then you can now add some more sugar syrup for your own taste. This is how to make the perfect mojito. Enjoy.